What if I told you that somewhere right now, a complete beginner, someone with no coding skills, no expensive equipment, and probably working from a small bedroom is making around $300 today using nothing but AI tools and an internet connection? It sounds exaggerated at first. Most people assume making money online requires years of experience or some secret trick only tech experts know. But the truth is much simpler. AI tools have quietly changed the game, and beginners who understand how to use them strategically are turning a few hours of work into hundreds of dollars per day. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this works and how you can start doing the same thing. First, let's talk about why AI tools are creating such a massive opportunity right now. Businesses today need content constantly. Think about it. Every brand needs blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email newsletters, and ads. Before AI, creating all this content took hours or even days. Now, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI assistants can generate high-quality drafts in minutes. That means one person can produce the work of an entire small team. For beginners, that's a huge advantage because it lowers the barrier to entry. You don't need to be a professional writer or designer anymore. You just need to know how to guide the AI and deliver value. Now, here's the important mindset shift. AI itself doesn't make money. The money comes from solving problems for people. Think of AI like a superpowered assistant sitting next to you. If you tell it the right task, it can help you complete jobs faster than most professionals. Beginners making $300 per day aren't doing anything magical. They're simply using AI to deliver services that people are already paying for. One of the most common ways beginners start earning is through freelance content creation. Businesses constantly need articles, website pages, and blog posts. Using AI, you can generate a solid draft in minutes, then edit it to sound natural and polished. For example, a small company might pay $80 to $120 for a blog post. If you complete 3 posts in a day, you're already around that $300 mark. The key is not just generating text, but adding your own editing and structure so the final result feels professional. But writing isn't the only opportunity. Social media content is another huge market. Brands today need daily posts for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Many small business owners simply don't have the time or creativity to keep up with constant posting. That's where beginners with AI step in. You can use AI to generate captions, post ideas, hashtags, and even short video scripts. Imagine managing social media for 3 small businesses and charging each of them $100 per week. Suddenly, your weekly income grows quickly with relatively little work. But here's where things get even more interesting. Some beginners are using AI to create digital products. For example, AI can help generate ebooks, guides, templates, or prompt packs. These can then be sold on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or online stores. Once the product is created, it can sell repeatedly without additional work. This is called scalable income. Instead of trading hours for money, you build something once and sell it many times. Another strategy beginners use is helping local businesses. Many small businesses still struggle with writing ads, responding to customer messages, or creating promotional material. With AI tools, you can generate email campaigns, ad copy, and promotional posts in minutes. A local restaurant or small shop might happily pay someone $200 or $300 per month just to manage these simple tasks. If you help 5 businesses like that, the income grows very quickly. Now let's talk about the skill that really separates successful beginners from everyone else: prompting. The way you talk to AI matters a lot. If you type something vague like "write a blog post," the results will be average. But if you give clear instructions like topic, tone, structure, and audience, the output becomes much more valuable. For example, you might ask the AI to write a 1,000-word blog post with practical tips, a conversational tone, and a clear call to action at the end. This level of detail turns a basic response into something clients are actually willing to pay for. Another important factor is speed. AI allows beginners to complete tasks much faster than traditional freelancers. What used to take 4 hours might now take 1. That extra time means you can handle multiple clients in a single day. Instead of working harder, you're simply working smarter. Think of it like having a bicycle in a race where everyone else is still walking. But beginners who succeed also avoid a few common mistakes. One mistake is relying entirely on AI without reviewing the output. AI can produce great drafts, but human editing is still essential. Another mistake is trying too many methods at once. It's much better to focus on one service, improve it, and build clients around it. Consistency is far more powerful than constantly jumping between ideas. Tracking your work is also important if you want to reach consistent daily income. Simple tools like spreadsheets or productivity apps can help you keep track of clients, tasks, and payments. When you see what services generate the most income, you can focus more energy on those areas. Over time, this makes your work more efficient and profitable. Another underrated factor is communication. Clients value reliability even more than raw skill. If you respond quickly, deliver work on time, and maintain clear communication, people will want to work with you again. Repeat clients are the secret behind consistent daily income. Instead of constantly searching for new work, you build relationships that bring steady payments. And here's the biggest advantage beginners have right now. The AI space is still growing. Many businesses are only starting to explore how AI can improve their workflows. That means there's still a wide-open opportunity for people who learn these tools early and position themselves as helpful problem solvers. The truth is, making $300 per day with AI tools isn't about luck or complicated strategies. It's about combining simple services with powerful technology. When you use AI to save time, improve productivity, and deliver value, you create opportunities that simply didn't exist a few years ago. So the real question isn't whether beginners can make money with AI. It's whether you're willing to learn the tools and start experimenting. Because the people who start today are the ones who build skills, clients, and experience, while everyone else is still watching from the sidelines. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to show you the exact beginner-friendly AI tools you can start using today to land your first paying client even faster.